Hey everybody, it's Eddie here again in Tully Nurseries, the home of Bella Bloom, and today I just want to show you our top 10. We have an absolute table full of colour here to show you, and we'll start off here at the front. This is the Calabrocus here in the Trixie Mixes. It's the Petticoat and it's one of our top sellers so far. We've also got new to the range is this Marigold Orange. It's going to be a super plant, and we have Dahlia Pom Pom Red. That's a really vibrant red, super. And we have Salvia Misty here. It's an absolutely gorgeous, really strong colours on that. Really like that one. And a really nice small compact French lavender here is Bandera Pink. There's loads and loads of buds on that. And then we have Salvia Blue Marble here as well. It's a nice mid-range salvia, lovely colours on it. And we have Dahlia Fireball here, really nice one. We got the petunia then, Amaretta. Then we have the Rebecca Garden Smiley, or Smiley Garden, whatever way you'd like to say it. And then we've got the Dahlia Allegra Red. It's lovely, nice and petite. And then so we also have Fuchsia here. This is one that is pink ice, and it's a really nice variety. So look out for these on the list. They're selling really fast, and I hope you have a lovely week. Thank you.